What's up, everyone? We are going to do a really quick video today, not even going to have an intro. We are just comparing St. Catherine and Hawkins and that type of area, that area over there, to the same area 1 year ago. I hope you enjoy the video, and we will see you on the flip side, or in the next one, or whatever it is. Packers are 8-2, by the way. What a difference a year makes. We are going to take a look at St. Catherine area. The bottom right corner is actually what it looks like now, as in November 2021, and the big picture in the background is what it looked like 1 year ago. Actually, what you see right there is the parking lot for the Zell Rec Center, right in the middle of where St. Catherine is now. And this entire area is full of houses, which you'll see in that lower right hand corner soon. We were going to go around the outside of St. Catherine, Case and Hammock, Citrus Grove, and we will take a look at the Hawkins area. None of this in that bottom right hand corner was started yet. Some of it was in the works. You could see the outlines, or you can see the outlines when we fly over, but in terms of everything else, housing and all that, right now it looks like what St. John's actually looks like, because St. John's, they're putting up the walls and starting to get some of the plots out. You can see Newell, Dabney, and Lake Deaton aren't even flipped up yet, and neither is where the Homestead Rec Center is getting built, is not even there. If you just keep in mind, this all happened in a 1 year span. So in 1 year, that red circle is where the Baxley Bridge is going up, which you can see in that lower right hand corner. I mean, the cattle bridge is there, but the work that they've been putting in is not there. The golf course is not there. The golf course isn't even starting to be there. And this all happened in the last 12 months. That little area in the top right corner there, that's actually Hawkins. So you can see some of the houses there, but even there, is not going up, and that burning in the background is actually I want to say St. John, and then this is a closer look at what Hawkins had just a year ago, and then you see all the bottom right, what the Zell Rec Center looks like now compared to what it looked like then. Hawkins is that this is all filled in now from Hawkins, which is absolutely incredible. 1 year time, you think of all these houses going in. I mean, they pretty much just snap them together at this point. And then that is Bradford in that top right corner there, which Bradford was pretty much done. I think the houses on the outside weren't done yet. I'm not even sure if they had announced the continuing the dream portion at this point. In the Venture, this is Hawkins along Morse Boulevard up in that corner, and then we're gonna fly back over into St. Catherine, and you can see the Zell Rec Center now in that bottom right corner close up, and in the big video is not even there. This is looking south over Citrus Grove, I believe, where Citrus Grove is. I always get Citrus Grove and Case and Hammock switched up, so if I call them the opposites, I'm sorry. They're right next to each other. One's on one side of the Southern Oaks Golf Course, and one is on the opposite side. One's on the east side, and one is on the west side of the Southern Oaks Golf Course. And this is looking south of the Turnpike. Even some of that stuff south of the Turnpike, they're starting to test the ground and all of that now. So all of what you see in that bottom right corner there, that is what was, or this is what it looked like last year. Pretty incredible. I mean, I'm just gonna let the music play. You can watch the video, and I appreciate you watching. Thought you might find it interesting, last year versus this year, and the differences that we made. Obviously, give us a like and a thumbs up and subscribe. Be a subscriber if you're not, and we will see you in the next one.